या हाय गाइस, हमने लास्ट क्लास में देखा था प्लेइंग विथ नंबर्स में डिविजिबल बाय 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, देन 9 एंड 10। आज की क्लास में हम लोग देखेंगे डिविजिबल बाय 7 एंड डिविजिबल बाय 11। This is the very important. Most of the students are confused in this topic because of they remember that to find to get the numbers divisible by 2, 3, 6 and 5 and 10. But when you can ask to them, okay, you can tell me this number is divisible by 7 or divisible by 11. At the time they will be confused. They will think, oh, how will come? What are the process? So now it is the very important topics, and all of you try to understand how we will go to see the divisible by 7. So first of all, suppose we can take here 3-digit number. Take first step, we can consider take 3-digit number. So 3-digit numbers are how to write. If you can take 100 place, so you can write as a 100 into A, plus in the tens place what will write 10 into B, plus ones place what will write 1 into C. Then if you calculate it, so what will get 100A plus 10B plus C. Now this is the 3-digit numbers. How we can go to see it is divisible by 7? What is the process? Now exactly you know that first of all you will divide here 7. So first the 100 terms, if you have 100, so in the 100 terms you divide by 7. So 7 1 just 7, then 3 0 30, 7 4 just 28. So how much? 2 you got as a remainder. So how much quotient you are getting? 40. So what we can write? We can write 7 into 14A plus remainder is equal to 2A plus. Similarly, if suppose we have 100, then 7 1 just 7, remainder you got 3. So what will write? 7 into A plus 3A plus C. Now you can take 7 common from this term. Then what will you get? You got it here is 7 into 14A. Sorry, here we can write B, by mistake A written. So 7 into B, 7 into B plus 3B. Okay, now we took from this term and this term 7 as a common. Then how much is here? 14A plus here how much we got? B. Then remaining terms you can write 2A plus 3B plus C. In this equation, what we are observing, this term is divisible, is multiple of 7. It means we can say that 14A plus B is divisible by 7 because it is the product of 7. But 2A plus 3B plus C, there is no any common for here 7. Then we say that if 2A plus 3B plus C is divisible by 7, then the whole 3 digits number is divisible by 7. That is the one of the process. So what we understand here? This term is already divisible by 7 because 7 is a multiple. But this term is not a multiple of 7. So if 2a plus 3b plus c is divisible by 7, then we can say that whole 3-digit numbers is divisible by 7. So that is the, if we can consider a 3-digit number, we can go through that. So last what we final we got, we should take 2a plus 3b plus c and check it. If it is divisible by 7, then we say that all whole term 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So this is the step for 3-digit numbers. Take one example. If you take one example and then you say, check it. Suppose you are taking one example and check it, 364. Or you can take any one example, 364. So 364 means just you consider A equal to 3, B equal to 10's position is 6 and C 1's position equal to 4. Then what I told you? We need to find 2A plus 3B. So now we are taking one example, 364. So A equal to 3, B equal to 10's position is 6 and C equal to 1's position is 4. Then what will find? 2A plus 3B plus C. So 2 into, we will write here, A value is 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 18 plus 4. So how much? 28. So 28, 28 is divisible by, which is divisible by 7. Therefore 364 is divisible by 7. So in this way we can find the it is divisible or not. We will find this number is divisible by 7 or not. Take the screenshot. And now we'll go to one more concept. If suppose we can take 4-digit numbers. So if we can take 4-digit numbers, second concept, take 4 digits number. So 4-digit numbers, how will write? The fourth position is 1000 place. So 1000 into A plus 100 into B plus 10 into C plus D is equal to 1000 A plus 100 B plus 10 C plus D. Similar way, what will do? Here we have divided by 1000, 7 1 ja 7, 3, 30, 7 4 ja 28, 2, 0, 7 2 ja 14, 6, 0, 7 8 ja 56, 4. So 7 1 ja 7, then you got the 3, 3 0 30, 7 4 ja 28, 28 means 2. So how much you are getting? Sorry. So here you got then 30, then next is 20, you got it 6. So what we can write? What we write here? We write 7 into 142A plus 6A. Here 100, in the previous I already explained you. So 7 into 14B, 7 into 14, 98 plus 2B. Next 10C, what will write? 7C plus 3C. And one more, we have D, so D value. Then you should take 7 as a common from this term and this term. Here, what will you write? 142A plus 14B plus C. Remaining term is 6A plus 2B plus 3C plus D. Now what you are observing here? Here is 142A plus 14B plus C is divisible by 7. Why? Because it is a multiple of 7. But here 6A plus 2B plus 3C plus D. This term, if this term is divisible by 7, then we should say that complete 4-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So, what we will write? If 6A plus 2B plus 3C plus D is divisible by 7, then whole 4-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. So this is the process for the 4-digit numbers. All of you take the screenshot, and then we will take one example. So one example take as a 4-digit number. So suppose you are taking a 4-digit numbers is 3514. So you consider here A equal to 3, B equal to 5, C equal to 1, D equal to 4. Now what we will find? 6A plus 2B plus 3C plus D. Find it. So 6 into A value is how much? 3. 2 into B value is 5. 3 into C value is 1 plus D value is 4. So 18, 2 5 ja 10 plus 3 plus 4. So 18 plus 10, 28 plus 3, 31 plus 4, 35. So what will get say? 35 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 3514 is divisible by 7. So this is the process for 4-digit numbers. Is it clear? So in this way you can get the 3-digit number. If any 3-digit numbers are given, and if you want to check it is divisible by 7, or any 4-digit numbers are given, you can go through these two processes. Okay? So at the end I will say one thing only. If you are new, then compulsory you try to subscribe and give the comments. Compulsory you give the comments, what topics you require, where you have the problems, you write them and give the comments, as well as you give the like. So how much you will give the like, and if you are new person, compulsory you subscribe my channels. Thank you.